to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. I am super excited. As you can see from the description, we have our October Mint Mongoose. And I am super excited to open it and see what we got in here. But first, again, thank you guys so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. If you are new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And for those of you that are unfamiliar with Mint Mongoose, it is a jewelry subscription, and you receive 3 pieces of jewelry every month. And you can choose between gold, rose gold, or silver. You can also choose whether or not you do want earrings, you don't want earrings, watches, no watches. And I believe every 3 months you get like a special gift. You know, it could be like a nail polish, some sort of makeup, or just something extra. So it's a really, really fun subscription. The jewelry is always absolutely gorgeous. And it is $12 a month. There is a shipping fee. There usually is a code floating around for your first month that you could get it for like $10 in free shipping. So if I can find that for you guys, I will make sure to link that down below, as well as a link to get you to the website to sign up if you would like to. But otherwise, let's go ahead and dive in and see what October has in store for us. I think the coloring is beautiful of this package. And I have never been disappointed with Mint Mongoose. So it is always super cute because, again, I just love the color of just the envelope that it comes in. But then the actual packaging itself is just as cute as it can be, with the wax seal and the mongoose and of course the mint color. It is just so, so beautiful. The attention to detail is definitely there with this company. So we are gonna go ahead and take that off, and we are going to open it. And every month, love this, there is always a Werther's Original candy in the box, which is super nice. And there is always a thank you card, and it says, yay, it's here. And yeah, so then we pull out this beautiful mint colored tissue paper. It is always folded up so nice and neatly. And our items will be inside. So let's see what we got this month. I go with silver. I've debated on trying the rose gold, but I pretty much stick with silver. So, all right. Okay, you guys, this is the first time this has happened. So we have, looks like our necklace here, and some earrings, and a ring. I have not gotten a ring from them before, but I do love that the ring, if you guys can see right there, it is adjustable, so it should be able to fit anyone's fingers. And I really like that. It is just very simple and classic, but so, so pretty. So let's see here. This looks like our earrings, and all of them have the little tag here that have the Mint Mongoose, and always on the back it says, if you spend $40 on individual items in our online shop, your next box is free. And with the membership, you do get 25% off anything in the shop. They do also offer another subscription, the Mint Mongoose Black. That one I know is a little bit more expensive, and if you receive that one, you get 50% off the items in the shop. So let's take a look here at the earrings. Oh, these are very pretty. So they're stud earrings, but they're this really beautiful, like almost aquamarine color. Super, super pretty. So usually the necklace will match in some way, so let's get it open and take a look and see. I love that everything is wrapped and then wrapped in bubble wrap, so it's just, you know, again, the attention to detail is really there. Oh, you guys, this necklace is, this is gorgeous and so different. Okay. So it has the same color stone here, and then it has two strands that come down, and they each have these pretty white stones. That is so neat. So it's kind of layered, but not like full layers. That is so beautiful. And the necklaces are always adjustable, so if you need a little extra length, you've got it. And one thing I really like too is all of their jewelry, to my understanding, is nickel free. I know I've never had any issues with any of the earrings or anything I've ever received from them before. And on the back here of this, the stone on the necklace, is a little stamp of the mint mongoose. So I am so excited about this necklace. I think it's so gorgeous. So we got this beautiful, simple, classic ring, the earrings, and matching necklace. Like I said, that is so unique with the layers that dangle. That is so cute. So I am very happy with the Mint Mongoose for October 2018. And like I said, I will make sure to link their site down below if you would like to sign up. Again, it is $12 a month, but like I said, usually there is a coupon, so I will make sure to see if I can find one. And if so, put that down for you as well. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you get Mint Mongoose, let me know what you guys think of this month's jewelry. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.